welcome back. I'm excited because today I have my first American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I've seen a couple unboxings of this. I was thinking about trying it, and then I had someone comment on a video that I should look into it, and then they subscribed. Thank you for that. Shout out to you. So I went ahead and did it, and it came really fast, like within 2 days I think, and I've already got it. So let's go ahead and see what we got. It's really cute. Like, I love the box and stuff, and here's what it looks like when you open it. It's got a card, which I love. So it looks like, I think every month, or it's actually every other month. It's a bi-monthly subscription. It's $34, and they partner with an influencer. So American Influencer is, I guess, the. So this one is made with, or partnered with, Mana Kadar Beauty. And there she is. Honestly, I haven't heard of her. Maybe I should have, but I haven't. But I'm excited to try her products. They must be good if they're, you know, the whole box is of hers. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a hydrating face mist. It's really pretty. Like, I love the bottle. And it is 6.08 fluid ounces. Oh, it says, known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen skin. Okay. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells really good. It's like a light, fresh scent. So it says, hydrating happy face mist. It retails for $19. Skin-loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. All right, cool. Okay, so next I see a lash serum. Ooh. It's really cool packaging. So, honestly, I wish they wouldn't, like, use pictures of, like, such dramatic results, because, I mean, is that even real? It looks like she has false lashes on it. I hate to sound like that, like, skeptical, but okay, anyway, maybe it's real, I don't know. So this is the Luxe Lash Serum, made with non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. It retails for $29, and this is quite a lot of packaging for this little lash serum. But I am excited to try it because, you know, who doesn't want their lashes to be longer and fuller or healthier? Okay, so I really think the component is really cute. It's got like textured, I guess. Oh, and look, it's got a little jewel. That's cute. So I'm gonna open it and see what it's like, a wand or a brush. Oh, cool. So it's like, it's just clear. You can see it's clear. And it's like a mascara wand. I guess that makes sense. Some like lash, like growth serums are just this little like thin brushes, you know, you kind of paint it on your lash line. So that's exciting. I'm excited to try that. Okay, next, the Mana Kadar Beauty 3-in-1 Highlighter Shadow Blush. Okay, I guess it's the Uptown. Longwear Powder Split Pan Duo. Is that the same thing? Okay, multi-purpose time-saving compact, can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. Okay, so that's what it is. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so that's interesting. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and a glowing finish. So, I mean, this is really pretty, but Personally, I don't think I'm gonna use this just because it would be too dark for a highlight for me, and I mean, it would be a cute blush shade, but I think I might like to hold on to this for a giveaway. So I'll go ahead and keep this wrapped up and not swatch it or anything. So if you like giveaways, I just filmed my Tarte like create your own kit video, and I do have a giveaway in that video, so check it out. I'll link it down below. If it goes up before this one, I'm not sure which order I'm gonna do, but either way, you know, subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see that. Okay, and the next thing is a HD perfecting powder. Oh, and the split pan duo retails for $29. I don't think I said that. Oh, I should have brought something to cut through the plastic. Hold on, let's see. There we go. It says create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day long. Okay, so it's got a little protection. It's very sleek. I mean, yeah, the packaging looks cute, but it kind of looks cheap too. I hate to say that, but that's cool. Let's see the texture in there. And then it looks like below it has just one of those little sponges, you know, just to blot it. Okay, so I don't need to swatch this or anything because, I mean, there's not really going to be a color if it's translucent. Okay, so we have 2 more items. Trucking right along. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items so far. And the next thing is a volumizing mascara. It says won't weigh lashes down, lashes will appear fuller. Okay, see, look at that. That's the same picture from the lash serum. Right? Yeah, that's the same picture. They're using the same picture. That's kind of, I don't know if that's like misleading or what, but it kind of makes you wonder. But I'm not trying to knock these products. Like I said, I've never heard of these products, so this will be a first impressions once I use them. Again, I can't get into it. Okay, finally I got it open. So much packaging for mascara. Okay, so I really kind of like the tube. It's different. Let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, it's like, is that like fiber? Does it say fiber? It doesn't say, but it looks like it has this tiny little fibers. I don't think you'll be able to see it. But I like the wand. I've never used a wand like this before. Almost doesn't fit down in there. So that's cool. I'm excited to give that a try. Let's see if it does miracles like, don't do that. Please don't do that. If it, you know, produces those dramatic results. Oh, I haven't really been showing you some of the packaging. So this is what, this is, that mascara was $29. It says rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out or your lashes or cause flakes. Go in there with him, please. The custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter with flair. Okay, and last we have lip-locked priming gloss stain. Built-in primer for long wear and smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a satin. Infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. And it retails for $24. Alright. Oh, and the shade is Sienna. Okay, this packaging, it's kind of like pokey. It's kind of poking me. I feel so bad. Like, I feel like I'm complaining about these things. Okay, so that's like a nice nude. There we go. Actually, it would probably go really good with the lip liner I have on today. Okay, and that is everything. Let me know what you think about this. Do you get it? I think everybody gets the same box, you know, because it's the same influencer, but it's still exciting. I mean, like I said, I've never heard of this girl or tried any of her products, so, you know, and I get a really good variety to try, so I'm excited about that. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you'll consider subscribing. Make sure you check out my Tarte video for the giveaway, and just thank you. Okay, thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.